guys, today I'm going to show you how to make one of these pipe cleaner wreaths. All you need for this project are some pipe cleaners. You can get these pretty much anywhere. You'll only need 3 pipe cleaners for this, 2 of the same color and 1 of a different color. For my wreath, I've grabbed 2 green and a blue for the bow, but you can choose any 2 colors you want. Go ahead and set aside the color you chose for the bow and grab the 2 other pipe cleaners. You'll want to twist the ends of those 2 pipe cleaners together. After that, separate your pipe cleaner slightly and put your finger in between them. Next, put one pipe cleaner over the other and start twisting. You'll want to twist to where there's just enough space for your finger to get out. Repeat this process until you're near the end of the pipe cleaners. You should end up with something similar to this. Here you can see I'm straightening it out a bit, but you don't have to do this. You can wait till the end to fix it up. Now take the 2 ends and twist them together. After, wrap it around itself as many times as you can. Here's where you're going to want to start straightening it up and fixing it a little bit. Once you've got that about as good as you want it, grab your other pipe cleaner. You'll want to make 2 indents in the center. Then wrap the excess over between the humps once each. Now place that bow where you connected the pipe cleaners and wrap those same pieces from earlier over the middle once again. Now all that's left to do is straighten as needed.